There is no Kazakh man who doesn't know who Abai is. Abai and Kazakh people are as one, an integral part of society which will be connected always. Path of Abai is not only a phenomenal work about Kazakh people and his great poet, the founder of Kazakh literature, it's also a research work of not less great writer Mukhtar Әуезов. In this novel, research work and art creation merge into one. Мұхтар Әуезов started his work from the last chapter of the last book. It's devoted to Pushkin. Exactly, Pushkin and his Russian friends made Ibrahim Құнанбаев Abai, said in his interview Мұхтар Әуезов. The first book was the longest written one, but also it was the most warmly taken by readers. Further you read a novel about Abai's life, so closer you can feel the days. You can't stop but read. All episodes run in front of you like a movie. How author describes every details of simple Kazakh culture. The novel contains all the beauty of inner world of the Kazakh people, shows traditions of Kazakh people. The second book is a book about poet Abai. This part shows an ideal poet, a real man who cared about destiny of his nation. Mukhtar Әуезов was interested in Abai's life journey from student's life when he first spoke with Көкбай, who was a student of Abai. A lot of contemporaries, people who knew Abai, who lived near and contacted with him, helped him to reconstruct that historical events. Path of Abai is not only a novel, biography, it's more deeper, it's a historical monument which gave our country fame. The whole world recognized Abai. The novel was translated into 30 languages. Mukhtar Әуезов spent 15 years of his life to unreveal the soul of great Abai. This book can educate us. This book can show and develop our imagination about past life of Kazakh nation. This book can change our minds to see things in a new light. Undoubtedly, the novel Path of Abai by Mukhtar Әуезов is the noblest monument of art devoted to Abai. Buktreylер, the hero of all times, dedicated to Kazakh poet, a great thinker, composer, philosopher, the founder of written Kazakh literature, and its first classic Абай Құнанбаев. Kazakhstan, Қызылорда, school мұрагер, English teachers, Кузембаева Ақтолқын and Машарапова Гүлжанат.